Presidential aspirant Rodrigo Duterte formally opened the new headquarters of his Pampanga-based supporters here in Angeles City. People wait 2 hours just to see the mayor. He rewards some of them with a public display of affection. The girls don't seem to mind. He admits he went on a kissing spree with some of his prettier supporters.
Wala akong lugar na punta na pinakamaraming hinalikan, lips to lips, yung gano'n talaga. Kasali dila, ay masarap eh. Hindi na bali ako matalo, mahalikan ko lang lahat dito mga ganda, okay na sa akin.
His Pampanga campaigners say volunteers chipped in with their own funds and resources.
Limited budget. We won't mind that because sabi nga sa I'm proud to say that we have launched the piso-piso para sa tunay na pagbabago. Every peso will count.
On display are a kaleidoscope of Duterte t-shirts and accessories. His supporters listen intently as he explained his platform.
Druga, krimen, itong korupsyon sa gobyerno kailangan matapos yan.
They cheered, especially when he expresses determination Duterte style.
Kinakampaign ko talaga siya, nasuportahan siya, kasi dito ang simula ng pagbabago.
With his campaign taking off, supporters are ready to stick with him until the very end. P. Renada, Rappler, Angeles City.